Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to read this book called Dump Truck Disco. Everyone is quiet, everyone's asleep, but giant wheels are rolling softly up the street. Dump Truck Daisy has come out with her crew. She's got a secret project. What's she going to do? Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Garbage truck Gertie clears away the trash with a shove and a push and a heave and a crash. Dump truck Daisy hauls in the dirt and dumps it on the ground, then signals the alert. Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Bulldozer Beatrice levels out the ground. She boogies and she woogies, but tries not to make a sound. Excavator Esteban digs a big hole. Scoop, scoop, beep, beep. Now they're on a roll. Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Mixer Max pumps a concrete base. Tractor Tiana drags poles into place. Cazo Crane lifts equipment up high and lowers it back down beneath the starry sky. Links blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The moon has set. It's almost morning. Dump truck Daisy whistles out a warning. It's time to clean up. It's time to go away. It's time for the children to come out and play. Lights blink off. Wheels stop spinning. The crew heads home. A new day's beginning. We all wake up and find a big surprise, a new playground right before our eyes. We slide and swing, we jump and spin. Let the all-day playground party begin. Faces light up, we all go vroom. It's an all-day playground party. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We head home at last as the sun goes down. Dump truck Daisy is back in town. Her crew is searching for another secret site. But what do you think they're going to build tonight? Awesome. That was neat. They built them a playground. Bye, guys.